So thank you so much for tuning in and clicking on my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am willing to take any tips or any suggestions that you have, so you're more than welcome to go ahead and comment your opinions down below. Today I am excited because I actually got some gifts in the mail. Not really gifts because I purchased them for myself, but I got some hair paint wax. I purchased silver, purple, gold, and red. So today I am going to be using the gold one. This is from A Splash of Color. I don't know if you can see it. It's from A Splash of Color. I will leave the link down below so where you can go to purchase these items. Now, I am going to be doing a different color every week. So if you have a suggestion on which color I should do next, leave it down below. I will go ahead and look at the comments, and whichever color gets the most comments, that's the one that will be next. Right now I have deep condition inside my hair, which I am ready to go ahead and wash this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. I'm a little concerned exactly about how it's going to turn out, only because if you can see, I do have a tint of like color, like a brown inside my hair. I planned on rinsing it black, but I haven't gotten around to that yet, but I will. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, so I have rinsed the deep condition out my hair. So now I'm gonna get started with my normal wash and go. Excuse me if you see me constantly looking to the left, to the right. Sorry. As I stated, I'm new to this, and I just got this camera and kind of like seeing myself on the screen right here. So it's like, although I'm looking in the mirror, right? But I'm gonna continue with my normal wash and go, and then I'll go ahead and put the wax inside my hair and see how. Okay, so now I am going to start with my gel. Today I am going to be using the Extreme Wet Line gel. I usually do not use that gel. However, I am out of my Kinky Curly Custard. So that is my backup. Kinky Curly Custard is like my ride or die. It helps a lot with the humidity in Florida, so. Hey guys, so I am done with this damn gone wash and go. Sorry. I don't know if you can see it. That is my hair. It is a different texture in the back than it is in the front. It's a lot more defined in the back for some reason. I'm not sure. Before I put this up in, I am going to part it the way I like my hair. I do let my hair air dry, guys. It takes forever, but it's worth it because I don't risk the frizz. All the wet line extreme, I don't really have to worry about that. So I'm going to try to do this in a way where I'm gonna get this up in my hand. Something I'm concerned about. So guess what? Even if I mess this up, it's gonna stay in my hair for an entire week because I'm not washing it again. I'm sorry guys, what I'm trying to do right now is open it, as you can see. So, I'm going to start with a little of this at a time. I don't know if y'all can set it out a little bit. Oh gosh. Dun. I'm gonna put some more in the front. Funny because it also looks like it's not going to make too much of a difference with my hair color. I put too much in the back. Oh my gosh. Okay. Maybe if I can like spread it out. Doesn't really look like it made any difference, guys. I'll probably put some more inside. Let's bring it to the side. I should have probably sectioned this. Oh, it looks like I put a lot more on this side than on the other side. So we're gonna match that. What I didn't research was how hard it was for people to wash this out, if it was. Because as I stated, I wanted to do a new color every week. Which means I'm gonna have to like use a clarifying shampoo every week. Next 3 weeks. Being I have 3 more colors. you have to use. You can see me breathing with my mouth open. It's because my nose is stuffy due to allergies, so sorry. I know somebody's out there like, close your mouth. Why is your mouth open? Bitch, you ain't talking. Excuse my language. See, I just cursed. Anybody know of any good movies that's coming out? I know that movie Us is coming out. I'm excited to see it, but because I love scary movies. I love thrillers. But I almost feel like the movie is like one of those you get really hyped to see it and it's not what it was. You could have watched it on Netflix or waited for it to come on Netflix. I'll go to one of those bootleg movie sites and watch it there. Okay. You guys can see it. You will see how it comes out. I may actually, with this wash and go, I may diffuse it. Only because me putting wax on top of everything else, I'm pretty sure it's gonna take more than freaking 2 days to dry. So, I may very well diffuse it. But, here it is. I'm scared to put any more. Maybe you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. But you still see like the tint of my hair here. Let me see if I can put more there. How it is looking so far. So far, I'm not too happy about it. Again, I feel like it has more to do with the color of my hair already. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know how good you guys can see it, but I feel like it's coming out that way because of the color of my hair. The foundation color is not really helping too much. But my camera cut off, and while I was off of camera, I did add some more. If you have colored hair and you're using this product, do not be shy with the product because it does take a lot. You want to go ahead and put a lot of product in it, so that way you can make sure you get it on. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see it. If you see clothes in the background, I am doing laundry. Pretty sure you probably can hear my washing machine. Not sure, but yeah. So I was able to wipe it off my forehead, but I'll be back in about another hour to diffuse it, and I will show you the finished product. Hey everybody, so it's the next day and this is the finished product. Like I said yesterday when I was doing it, well, when I was waiting for it to, I guess, cure, you don't have to use a lot of product. I figured that I would, due to the fact that I have color in my hand. It was taking so long for me to start seeing any change. But no, I semi kind of like it. I guess you guys can tell me how you feel about it. It came out more so like a honey blonde. Now, I do want to say that if you continue, it doesn't flake at all. It hasn't been flaking at all since I have picked it out or anything. But if you are playing with it, it will wipe off on your hands. I'm not sure if you can see like the glitter type of thing. Yeah. But other than that, good results. I expected worse. I was very pessimistic about this, but I'm happy with the way it came out. One thing I want to say, because I know that somebody is going to point it out. Yesterday, I apologize because I made a mistake and used my Strength and Restore Smoothie as my leave-in conditioner yesterday. This is what I was supposed to use. So I use Shea Moisture, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's supposed to be leave-in. That's what you want to use for the wash and go. Wet Line Extreme. And jojoba oil and curl enhancing smoothie. Sorry. All right. If you have any suggestions, again, leave the comments down below. Do not mind my makeup. I just put it on and I'm waiting for it to oxidize here. But about to go out and handle some errands. Again, guys, thank you, love. I will go ahead and put in some pictures of my before when I first started my hair journey, when I did my chop. It wasn't so much of a big chop because I only cut it like to right here. I was trying to straighten it until it actually grew out. So it grew out enough for me to cut it. I didn't want to cut it too short. Please, 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 please check out my girl Diary of Fonze channel. She is such an amazing, genuine person. I love her, love her to death. Her channel will be down below as well. I am stumbling over my words. I'm not ready for today. I need some coffee. But again, let me know what color you want me to do next. And that will be the color we do next week. Okay, loves. Bye. I'm sorry, guys. I just had to come back. I feel like an entirely different person with this. This is nice. I can change my hair like every 2 days. And I don't have to like put in a permanent dye. This is bomb.